Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Crafts and Cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make my family recipe fish dipping sauce. And for this you'll need some sour cream, some mayo, some mustard, a lemon, a knife because we might need to cut the lemon, a paper towel in case of messes, and a cutting board. So then we'll need a bowl and a spoon. Okay, and this might come in a little messy, so you want to roll up your sleeves and get some gloves. When I snap, I'm gonna get some gloves. Ready, set, go. Okay, now I'm ready, and we are gonna get started. But before we actually get started, you need to know that both of these need to be the same amount. Well, at least try to make them the same. So you'll need your bowl, and then I'm gonna use this to keep this. Hard these gloves a little bit. Now it looks like this is some new sour cream. Okay, so my mom always says that if you want to be tidy, do not make a giant hole in the sour cream, because then all the water will come up. So mix that in, and let's get a little bit more. Okay, and now let's put that out. Some of this in. That's good. And now some mustard. I'll tell you when to stop because this one's tricky. Tiny bit more. That's good. And now for the lemon. You'll want to cut right in the middle and keep your fingers on one side. And this, don't worry, this might not be a perfect equal cut because look at that, not equal. And it's alright if it's not, because basically we're just gonna need to squeeze the whole thing in, so it doesn't matter, and we'll throw this rest out, so it doesn't have to be so perfect. And what my family really uses this for is fish, and usually halibut and rice.
We won't throw the rest out, we'll use it for tea.
Yep, that too. So now we're going to squeeze this in.
How much do you squeeze in?
Well, maybe like squeeze this half and then a tiny bit of that.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Or we can just squeeze that, actually. Okay. Now, that's good with the lemon. And now, this is what you should have. Now I need to mix it up. Don't mix too fast, because it might, if it's too slippery with the, or too drippy from the lemon, it might fall out if you tip it. Just stir it at your normal pace. And when it gets about like that, you're ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video from today. And don't squirt lemon juice in your eyes. That's a tip. So I hope you enjoyed the video for today, how to make our family recipe fish dipping sauce. And I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. And we're going to give it a little taste. My mom's going to do it too. Taste how it's supposed to taste. Okay. Here goes my mom.
Delicious.
So it should look like that with little specks. And it should taste as good as it should. If it doesn't, don't worry. We all make mistakes sometimes. Even I do. One time I didn't win a competition, so. And that was our fish sauce. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you come back to see another cooking video and another one of my sister's arts and crafts video. Bye!